want to beat the YouTube algorithm, but everything that you have tried, it doesn't seem like it's working. Trust me, I have been there before.
Come on now, dog. Come on, man.
Honestly though, there are three main principles that your channel has to get correct if you have any shot in hell of having any success here on YouTube. The first being truly understanding and being able to connect with your audience. Now, how do you do this, you may ask? First, you have to do research on the niche that you actually want to create content for. So you want to figure out what other social media platforms are they using, what movies are they watching, what music are they listening to, what books are they reading, what are their pain points, what are their limiting beliefs, and so on and so on. Until you have enough information till you know exactly who you're talking to. This in the marketing world is called building your customer avatar. A good resource and a full breakdown of this concept is actually on HubSpot. And what I'll do for you is link it down in the description down below. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You're like, Tonio, I don't have any customers, but you are 100% wrong on this. Your YouTube channel is your business and your customers are your viewers. And the better you're able to understand them, the better you'll be able to create content that they actually want to see. Now, which leads me to my next part, that YouTube only rewards quality content. Now, don't get caught up in the word quality. I'm not saying that you need to go out and spend $1 million on a Squid Game set like Mr. Beast. Now, hold up, can we all just take a second and say how insane Mr. Beast is? Now, what I am saying is how your audience is responding to your content is very pivotal to your success on YouTube. And here are some key metrics that you definitely want to look at when it comes to your content on your channel. What is your retention rate on your videos? Videos that can hold a retention rate higher than 50% are more likely to get promoted by YouTube, which really makes a lot of sense. So if you can get somebody to watch 7 minutes out of a 10-minute video, you are doing very, very good with your content. Now, another metric that you want to take a look at is what is your engagement rate on your videos. So you definitely want to look at the like to dislike ratio. Are you getting a lot of likes? Are you getting comments? How are people engaging with your content? Because the more people that are engaging with your content, that signals to YouTube that this is a good video and YouTube will promote it more as well. And another thing that you want to take a look at is what is your overall session time on your videos. Now, there isn't a metric for this yet, but you definitely want to monitor how many return viewers you are getting to your videos and to your channel. And you want to make sure that you're creating binge-worthy content. At the end of the day, YouTube is in the business of keeping people on YouTube. And if your channel can do that, YouTube will promote your content more. So all of this sounds good in a perfect world, I know. So you're probably wondering, what do you do before YouTube starts recommending and promoting your content? So what I would recommend is really mastering YouTube SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. I actually created a whole video on this where I discuss how you can rank your videos with ease. I linked it up here, definitely check it out. Also, I would recommend self-promoting your content on other social media networks and other places that you found during your research phase, wink, wink, that you know that your target audience will be at. Now, trying to beat the YouTube algorithm is far from easy, you guys, but if you don't do it, somebody will.